This toy's shown initiative, leadership. Why, I'd say we found ourselves a keeper. Hear that, everyone? We got a keeper!
You're an inspiration to all of us. I mean,
We're calling you up to the big leagues, son. From now on, you'll have anything you want.
hi, that's incredible.
Good on you, mate!
Lucky Jack, you did it. We're here.
Well, I take my hat off to you, Jack. But you've got us here in one piece.
Well, seeing is believing.
And I don't believe what I see.
Oh, it's Buck!
Stallion of the Sim
I'm
Moron.
supposed to be here just in case one of the horses get tired.
Cows only.
Look, friend, you don't understand my situation.
No, you don't understand. So I'll say it again. The only critters that get by me are cows. Cows only.
Oh, come on. Look, cut me a break. Now what? Oh, what are you doing here?
Sorry we're late. We got separated from the herd.
Right this way, little lady. Tell them Junior sent you.
Oh!
Howdy, partner.
Nice hat, ma'am.
Cheeky devil.
Excuse me. Reject coming through.
Ow!
She was pointing at the periscope.
No kidding, Gus. Now what do we do?
Perhaps we should give up this sordid path. The tunnel of distress only leads deeper and deeper into the cavern of despair.
I'm not giving up yet, Mikey. In fact, my next plan's even better. It's a little something I saw in Bookham and McVice. Time my big sister let me stay out past 9.
Ooh.
So what's the plan?
Well, let's see. You two get his attention while I sneak up behind him and then I'll knock him into the car. And then we'll rope him up and wheel him to justice.
And for extra measure, how about we conk him on the noggin with this?
You go, cowgirl. That's using the old hat.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Now you lost me here, missy.
Stop! It's simple. Cart smack, rope roll, justice. Come on, Jack, focus. Now is not the time to get all scatterbrained and flaky.
Listen up, folks. We got a way of doing things here at Sunnyside. If you start at the bottom, pay your dues, life here can be a dream come true. But if you break our rules, step out of line, try to check out early, well, you're just hurting yourself.
There he is. Come on, let's go. Hold on. You're both forgetting Slim's hypnotic control over those with less than perfect pitch. Jack, I hope you can forgive me.
For what, missy? Ah!
For that?
Now you watch it there, Toots.
Grace, how practical.
You all get a good night's rest. You got a full day of playtime tomorrow.
What's the deal, Slimbo?
Maybe she wasn't an art lover. Philistine!
Shut up, you greenhorns!
Why do you guys keep saying that? Oh, Mr. Softy over here.
What do you expect from a girl's toys?
Neither are you, chunk.
All them toys are disposable.
He must be taking stupid lessons from that buffalo.
Ooh, that's good.
Where do you think you're going?
Now, Jack! Okay!
What the room two blazes is going on here?
Sorry.
Uncle Slim! Uncle Slim!
Let's get out of here.
Come back here, Dopey. Just one boy!
Jack, got him now.
Well,
Watch out!
it's Buck!
Hey, Casey Jones, grab the bills and fire up the Getaway Express. I gave up clown college for this?
Wait a minute. You can read?
I can read? That's right, I can read.
Well, then here, read this now. He really doesn't mean it, you know. He never even knew his father. Don't pull off the wagon.
This train goes right by Patch of Heaven.
What is in the cud you've been chewing? How are we supposed to drive that thing?
How? How? I'll tell you how. The same way we walked off the farm into the unknown. The same way we fought off those burly barmaids. And the same way we braved the western wilderness without the benefit of food or water. We caught Slim once, and we shall do it again. Who's with me?